Hi students, we are continuing our chapter 7. Can you see the pattern? Today we will start from the page number 107. In this page we have given the topic calendar magic. First I will read the question. Look at the calendar below. Let's mark a 3 into 3 box. That means 9 dates on the calendar and see some magic. What is the magic here? Here in the calendar from Sunday to Saturday, date wise given here, and we can find the sum of any three numbers which is selected from this calendar. So we can, doing this method, we can find the sum of the numbers which are selected in an easy way. First one, we have to select 9 numbers by making a square. Here in this textbook they have selected the number from 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18, 19. To find the sum of these 9 numbers, there is the easy method is take the smallest number. Here in this box the smallest number is 3 and add 8 with this number. Why we are selecting 8? Because total number is 9. First number we have already taken 3. The remaining 8 numbers are there. Add 8 with this number. So here 8 plus 3 is 11. Now multiply this 11 by 9. Total numbers are 9 there. So 11 by 9, 11 multiplied by 9 is 99. The total of all these numbers, that is from 3 to 19, is 99. This is the easy way to find the sum of the selected numbers, these 9 numbers. Another easy method is take the middle number 11. Take the middle number 11. Then multiply that 11 by 9. 11 9s are 99. This is the another method of finding the sum of these numbers. The very easy method. Now we can choose any other 3 into 3 box. That means vertically 3 numbers and horizontally 3 numbers. 3 columns and 3 rows. Now we will select 2, 3, 4. We will take that box. See, these are the 3 boxes I have selected. 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 16, 17, 18. Here also we will choose the smallest number. Here the smallest number is 2. We will select 2. Now what to do? The next step is add 8 to it. 2 plus 8. So 2 plus 8 is 10. Now multiply this number by 9. The same method. Multiply this number by 9. 10 9s are multiply by 9. 10 9s are 90. So what is the total of these numbers? 3 into 3 box. The sum of these numbers is 90. That is number from 2 to 18. Number from 2 to 18, if you add these numbers together, you will get the answer 90. Another easy method is take the middle number. Here the middle number is 10. Multiply that number by 9. 10 9s are 90. So in this way also we can calculate or find the sum of the 3 into 3 box numbers. Now we will take another 3 into 3 boxes. Now we will start from 4, 5, 6. Here the box is taking from 4 to 6. 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20. Now here first we have to take the smallest number 4. Write the number 4 there. Now add 8 with it. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. Now multiply this 12 by 9. 12 by multiply by 9. Now we will get the answer 108. 108. So what is the total of these numbers? 3 into 3 boxes. The total of 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20 is 180. Students, if you want to check, you write all the numbers, find the sum of these numbers. You will get 108. And the next easy method is take the middle number 12. That middle number is 12. 12 multiplied by 9. Directly you can multiply by 9. Take the middle number, multiply by 9, you will get the same answer 108. This is another method of finding the sum of these numbers 3 by 3, 3 into 3 boxes. Now you can take any other 3 into 3 boxes and find this, or you can do yourself or check it whether the answers are getting correct. Now we will move to the next page of this chapter, 108. Here we have given some more number patterns in page number 108. Some more number patterns. See, first we will read the question. After that you observe this pattern. Take any number. Now multiply it by 2, 3, 4 and so on at every step. Also add 3 to it at each step. Look at the difference in the answer. Is it same at the every step? Now first you see, observe the pattern. First they have taken number 12 and they multiplied that number 12 by 2 and added 3 to it. So 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. And in the next step they have taken 12 multiplied by 3. 12 3s are 36 plus 3 is 39. The next 12 4s are and added 3, 51 is the answer. And 12 5s are 12 5 multiplied and plus 3 is 63. In this way they have added. Now the fifth step onwards we have to complete. Here what is the pattern they have followed? First 12 2s are, then 12 3, 12 4, 12 5. Now we have to write there 12 6. 12 6 are 72. 72 plus 3 is 75. So in that line, the fifth line, we have to complete 12 into 6 plus 3 equals 75. That is the answer, 75. After 63 we have to write the answer down, 75. Now in the next step, 12 into 7. 12 into 7 plus 9 equals 87. Sorry, 3 equals 87. 12 7s are 84. 84 plus 3 equals 87. So the sixth step we have to write 12 into 7 plus 3 equals 87. That means 12 7s are 84. 84 plus 3 equals 87. Now the next step. Next step means seventh step. Seventh step we have to write 12 into 8, continuing, adding by, or otherwise the multiples of 12s are taking. 12 into 8. We have to multiply 12 multiply by 8 plus 3. 12 multiplied by 8 is 96 plus 3 equals 99. So we have to complete that step also. And now we are going to the last row. 12 multiply by, the last row they have nothing given. So we have to follow the same pattern. First box write 12 multiply by 9. 12 multiply by 9 plus 3. 12 multiply by 9 is 108 plus 3 is 111. 12 multiply by 9 equals 108 plus 3 111. In this way we can complete the pattern. But we have to observe that now try doing it with some other numbers and also take a different number to add each. Now in the every step which pattern you can find. What pattern you can find, students? In every step in the answer we can find that each step the number 12 is increasing by more number in every step. That means 27 plus 12 is 39. 39 plus 12 is 51. 51 plus 12 is 63. 63 plus 12 is 75. 75 plus 12 is 87. 87 plus 12 is 99. And 99 plus 12 is 111. That means in every step of this answer we find that 12 is increasing by every step. That means between two consecutive numbers the difference is 12. That means every step we have taken the multiples of 2, 12 and added 3 every step. Numbers in addition, there is no change in numbers. So every step we will get the answer by increasing by 12. This is the pattern we can follow in this step. Now you can Now you can you can take any number. Suppose instead of 12 you can take 13 or 14, 15, whatever be. But in the answer you will get increasing by that number. If you are taking 13, in every step the number will increase by 13. If you are taking 15, the number will increase by 15 in each step. In this way we can do any pattern. We can make any pattern. Now we will move to the next question in this page. The next topic in this page is look at the numbers below, look for the pattern, can you take it forward? Here they have given a type of pattern of numbers, observe it and asking us can you take it forward? Now let's see, can we take it forward or not? Now first check, the first number is given here is in first row, first line, that is this line. 9 minus 1 divided by 8 equals 1. That means 9 minus 8 is 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. In that second step, they have included one more number with the 9. That means first step there was only 9, but in second step the next smallest number taken, smallest digit is 8. That is 98. When they taken one more number, thus in the subtraction one more number added, that is the next number is 2. That means 98 minus 2 divided by 8 equals 12. At the answer column one more number is increasing. The next number is 2. That means the answer is 12. Here the answer was 1. In the next line they added the one more number here. In the answer also one more number is increasing. Answer is 12. Here they have taken 110. The answer in the answer also 110 increased. Now we will see the third step. In third step they increased one more number. In the second column there was only 2 numbers. In the third column 3 numbers are there. Which are the 3 numbers? Greatest single digit, the second greatest and the third greatest, that is 987. 987. 987 minus 3. In the third step, then subtracting number also increasing. First there was 1, second there is 2, and the third step they have taken the number 3. Divided by 8 equals, in the answer also the numbers are increasing. Answer is 123 or 123. As the subtracting number increasing, like that the answer also increasing. Now see the third step. In third step they have included 4 single digit numbers, that is 9, 8, 7, 6. So the subtracting number also increased. That subtracting number is 4. Divide by 8 is, the answer will be, what will be the answer? One more number will increase there. The previous number was 1, 2, 3. So the next number will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1234. Now we will move to the fifth step. In the fifth step, one more number is added there. 98765. 98,765 minus 5. The number also increased. Next number came there. After 4, the 5 is there. Minus 5 divided by 8. So the answer will be, what will be the answer? In the answer also, the next number will come there. After 4, what is the number? 5. So the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 12,345. Now fifth step also completed. Now we have to move to the sixth step. In sixth step, they have not given the numbers. We have to add the numbers or include the numbers there. So which numbers can we include? As there are 5 numbers in the previous step, so we have to include 6 numbers in the next step. That means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and the next number is 4. So what is the number we have to write there? 9,87,654 minus the next subtracting number will be the next number greater than 5, that is 6. So 9,87,654 minus 6 divided by 8 equals, the answer will be 1 more number will come there. The answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have to add the 6 also there. That means 1,23,456 is the answer. Now one more box given for us to complete. In this, if you follow this pattern, we can easily the next number in this column. What will be the next number? Here we have used up to 4. In the next column we have to use the numbers up to 3. So what is the number we are using there? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. That means the number is 98,76,543 minus the next number greater than 6. That is 7. 7 divided by 8 is, the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 12,34,567. In this way, students, we can carry forward or take forward this pattern up to any number you required. In the next step will be the, here one more number will come. That means we can add 2 also. That means 98765432. Subtract 8, minus 8, divide by 8. The answer will increase one more number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way, if you follow this pattern, we can find up to any level by increasing order. In this way, we have completed this page also. This page you have to complete in the textbook. Now let's start this page, page number 109, smart adding. What if someone gives you to add 10 numbers together? Oh, I can find it quickly. Smart, how can you do that? I can get the sum without adding. Here two students are talking about how can they add these 10 numbers together without any difficulty. One is saying that how can you add this together easily? So he can say, when he observed these numbers, he found some pattern in these numbers. So he said he can add these numbers very quickly. Now you listen this pattern. If you observe this, first line 1 to 10 numbers given, next line 11 to 20, now 21 to 30, third line, fourth line 31 to 50, 40, 41 to 50 in next line, and the next line 51 to 60, and the last line 61 to 70. Here the first line answer given 155. Total of these numbers is 55. Now total of the second line also given 155. So what is the difference between these two numbers? 155 minus 55 equals 100. There is a difference of 100 in these two consecutive numbers. So the next line also 10 increasing in each boxes. That means 100. 10 tens are 100. 11 to 21 means 10 increasing. In this way, full line adding 10 tens are increasing in every boxes. 10 means 100. That means from the second line to third line reaching, the numbers are increasing increasing up to 100. Every time, every consecutive numbers, the numbers are increasing by 100. So the next line from 31 to 40, the answer will be, 21 to 30, the answer will be 255. In fourth line, the answer from 31 to 40, if we add, we will get the answer 355. That means the difference between 355 and 255 is 100. So the answer in fourth line is 355. Now fifth line, 41 to 50. So the answer will be, the total of these numbers will be 455. That means increasing by 100. So the next line 51 to 60 will be 555. That is given there. So the last line, what will be the answer? A difference of 100 means increasing by 100 is 655. That means 61 to 70. If we find the sum of these numbers, we get the answer 655. Students, this exercise also you have to complete. Now we will move to the next heading of this page, fun with the odd numbers. Here also, in all these headings or topics, we have to find out the patterns, what type of pattern they have given. First you have to observe 1, 2, 3 steps. Then you can understand which rule they are following. From first to second, what rule they are taking, and second to third, what rule they are following. Then we can follow the same rule for the fourth step onwards. If we find out the rule or pattern which is followed by this particular sum or particular pattern, then easy to find out the next pattern. Now listen the first line. Now at every step add the next odd numbers. That means fun with the odd numbers are given here. Here they are using the pattern with the odd numbers. First odd number is 1. Second next odd number is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. So what are the factors of 4? 2 2s are 4. Or the multiple 4 is the multiple of 2 2. That is showing in the first pattern, first line. Now observe the second line. In second line, 3 consecutive odd numbers used. That is 1, 3 and next odd number is 5. So the total of these numbers is 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. So 9 we are getting multiplying the same two odd numbers, that is 3. 3 into 3s are 3 3s are 9. So that is the second line completed. Now see the third line. Third line they used the 4 consecutive odd numbers. That is 1, 3, 5 and 7. Total of these numbers is 16. How we will get the 16? Multiples of 4. 4 4s are 16. So you have to write there 4 4 16. Now see this same pattern we have to follow in the fourth line. In fourth line we have to take 5 odd numbers, consecutive 5 odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The total of these numbers is 25. 25 is the multiple of 5 5. 5 5s are 25. Now see the next line, fifth line. How many odd numbers are there? 6 odd numbers. Continue 6 odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Total of these numbers is 36. 36 we are getting by multiplying 6 6. 6 6 are 36. Now the last line, continuously 7 odd numbers. 1 to 13. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Adding these numbers, 49 we are getting. How? What is the factor? What are the factors of 7? Sorry, 49. We can get 49 by 7 7s are 49. So all the rules or patterns we followed. Last we got all the. We can complete all the boxes or patterns also. So first answer is 2 2s are 4. Next one is 3 3 9. Third one 4 4 16. Fourth one 5 5 25. Fifth one 6 6 are 36. The last one is 7 7s are 49. So in this way we have completed the pattern of this topic. In this way we can make some other kinds of patterns we can make. Put any number, or if you want to take even numbers, we can make this way other type of pattern also. Students, you try to make other type of these patterns. So we have completed this 109. Next page we will take in the next video.